Cái điều toàn live từที่หาย6 phần mà cái tôi là complaint của mà mấy video về tên riêng là
Good evening to all respected judges, our chief guests, parish priests, brothers and sisters, leaders from all the parishes and all present here. I am your contestant number 2 in Tuigamliu TP from Sacred Heart Catholic Church, Mary Help of Christians Parish, Tamenglong. I am 23 years of age and I have graduated from Dana Manjuri College of Arts. My hobbies include listening to music, singing, reading books, and doing small crochet projects. My aim in life is to become a successful woman. And for me, a successful woman is not just someone who is financially stable, but also someone who is deeply rooted in Christ, and someone who does everything and gives her best in everything, whether big or small. Thank you all and enjoy the evening.